From military innovation to an exciting hobby to technology transforming commercial industries, the use of drones has rapidly changed in recent years. Of all the industries that these unmanned aerial vehicles have changed, construction is a prominent one. Today, drones are used across construction projects for applications such as construction surveying, topographic mapping, inspecting building and infrastructure, assessing site safety, tracking equipment, monitoring project progress, laser scanning and photogrammetry, and recording thermal images. UAVs are now heavily incorporated into construction applications to enhance the productivity and safety of the workplace. For example, calculating stockpile volume and material types for inventory will now be easy, while calculating the length, width, and elevation for roads and structures has become a breeze. Drones can even ensure workplace safety by reducing the need to deploy humans in complex and dangerous working environments. However, not everything connected to drone technology is rosy. According to some research, drones can also introduce hazards on construction sites, while construction is already one of the most hazardous industries. U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics shows that over 200,000 non-fatal injuries occur each year in the construction industry. Among all industries, construction has the highest number of occupational fatalities, a number which currently stands at 1,000 plus annually. In fact, the proliferation of drones in such dynamic, hazardous, and complex environments increases the operational complexity and consequently the probability of accidents. However, drones can have a happier impact on the construction industry with the right measures in place. By utilizing proper safety measures, increasing safety awareness among workers, educating and training employees, and implementing strategic planning, your project can benefit from innumerable possibilities with the UAV and find out the advantages it can bring to your own business. This UAV training has been designed to equip you with all the knowledge and training needed to utilize drone technology in the best way possible.